What's up, gang? I hope you are doing well today, guys. And thank you a lot, guys, for clicking on my video. And if guys you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so, guys. Please subscribe. That's how you help. That's how you help me. That's how you help me. Please, guys. Please. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you, guys. Thank you a lot. Okay, guys. In today's video, we're going to look at Rawr app, guys. Here on Rawr, guys, we play games, guys. While we are playing games, we also earn coins. Once we gathered enough coins while we are playing, we can redeem it for PayPal money, guys. As you can see, guys, 60 coins per minute, guys. While we will play this game solitaire, I will get 60 seconds. I mean, we'll get 60 coins per minute, guys. And then the Eagle Miner Tycoon, 27 coins per minute, and so forth, guys. Okay, for you to be able to earn the money, you have to go to play and collect. As you can see, play and collect. Okay, play, and guys, it will take you to Play Store so that you can download the game. As for me, I already downloaded the game. Not this one. Okay, here it is, guys. I'm playing Cash Empire, guys. You tap on play, and then each and every minute you will get paid, guys. Okay, let's get back to the app now, to Rawr app. Okay, guys, as you can see, I've gathered 2007 coins, guys, here at the bottom. Okay, now let's go to Payouts. You can see, guys, now I can cash out my coins, which is equals to 2 rand, almost 3 rand, guys. Okay, okay, guys, you have to log in with your PayPal, guys. Okay, be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to log in now. Log in. What the fuck? Please check it. Oh, okay. Okay, let's try again, guys. As you can see, guys, payout in progress, guys. Now I have 7 coins. I have 7 coins. I just withdrew my money, guys. Okay, as you can see, guys, today, guys, my money is still in progress, guys. Still in progress. Just imagine, guys. I downloaded this game yesterday, and then today I play only 1 game. Now I'm cashing out. Simple, guys. Simple, fast, easy, and simple. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and one more thing, guys, We are doing a giveaway once we hit 2k subs, guys. Please subscribe. Peace.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I.